guys, welcome to Funname channel. Today we are going to do an amazing experiment. For this we want an vinegar, then we want a egg, then we want our tumbler or any cups to do this activity. First fill the tumbler with the vinegar. Then take the egg, then soak it into the vinegar. After 21 hours in the vinegar,
the next day,
we can see how is the egg after 24 hours.
days later.
We can see how is it after 2 days. Now we can burst the egg. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel and like, share, comment this video. Thank you.